Hi, welcome back to Crafty Creation. On today's video, I'm making a glitter canvas wall hanging. We'll need some canvas framed. I had this that I've been keeping in store for some years now. You can see it's even stained, but I hope it will just work. You'll also need some masking tape, some glitters, some paint brushes, and also some glue. Here I add Mod Podge. You'll also need some paints. First, I'll begin by painting my canvas frame black. You can use any color that you like or that you can get readily available. I used acrylic paint to color my canvas on the edges. My canvas is fully painted all round now.
Now let it dry.
Continue watching this video to the end and see the amazing transformation.
This is now the time to use my
I'll now start
masking tape
by dividing my canvas surface using the masking tape. Watch this video to the end and follow the simple steps as they go. I'll now ensure that I divide the halves into different geometrical shapes. Continue watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you get to watch all my DIY videos. Leave for me a comment below. This is a matte Mod Podge glue, but you can also use a glossy one. But here I got this one, so this is what I'll use. So as to apply it easily. The only worry is whether my glue will be enough. Yeah. have applied all these places that I envisioned to have the gold color, and then apply my silver glitters. Hope you're enjoying the video and liking the way my wall hanging is coming up. Thank you for being here, and remember to subscribe for more of such kind of easy DIY. Thank you. The only thing I'm crossing my fingers is that my glue be enough for all the triangles. My glue was over before I did that final silver triangle. We'll just have to improvise now. I'll use some white glue and see how it will turn out. This is the only white glue that I have here around. It's called Faber-Castell. That is what I'll use there, because now I can't leave my work halfway, and also there is nowhere that I'll get the Mod Podge, as I only bumped on that one on an ex-UK thrift shop. So this is now where creativity calls. I'll use my white glue and see if it will be able to hold the glitters in place. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell.
cover the part that was left glueless, having improvised the glue. Let's continue and see the end of my work. Just go ahead, because they've dried, I'll just go ahead and remove. Which one will I start with? Just go ahead and remove the masking tape that had partitioned the different glitter colors. There. Coming up. Going between seams. So it's finally done. My glitter wall hanging is finally done. So I had this empty wall on my living room. That is where my wall hanging will go. And there it is. Beautiful. In fact, the camera is not doing it justice. It's better than it appears. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe.